The last thing I wanted to talk about is the power of consistency, the continuity, why we need to keep walking. So for that, I am gonna rely on a scientific experiment, which is a domino theory, right? So if you look at this, the image or the video, so this guy has um, dominoes, and this smallest one is only 5 millimeter tall, and the last one is more than 3 feet tall, but then weighs over 100 pounds. The consistency basically helps you make larger, greater impact. An impact that a 5 millimeter can make to 100 pound, 3 feet tall stone or domino. By the way, if you apply this theory, you would not need as many dominoes to even break the tallest building in the world. Domino effect is a fascinating thing. You should read about it, and it actually tells you the power of consistency that we should have. The effort of not giving up, we keep getting there, not thinking how small we are, is important. Important is not to think that I don't have this, I lack this, or I need better tools or something else. Important is to walk. Just imagine yourself in the place of this 5.5 millimeter or 5 millimeter tall domino. If I ask you, can you move this 13, sorry, the 3 feet tall or 100 pound domino? You will say, no, no way. Even if I try to for like 100 lives, I won't be able to move. But guess what? We can within this life. And that is where the help from other domino come into the play. So now go back to the slide that we had on what happens. So use them as domino. We can all use them as dominoes. They are there. We are not helping. We see ourselves as 5 millimeters domino up against 3 feet tall domino. That's it. Because we don't see things in between. Because our senses are limited to see, hear, feel differently. But when we involve ourselves in practices, you will see all these dominoes appear in between, making you move slowly and slowly and making impact to something that is even like 20, 100 times greater than you. So just remember that. That is why not giving up, keep working, whether you are convinced or not, is important. That is why having that trust is important. Even if you don't agree, you're not convinced, keep walking, keep working. Because walking is the only way you can move from one place to another. You can come out from one place to another. If it is raining, you need to walk to a place where it's dry, it's not raining. So the takeaway is keep walking, don't give up, no matter how difficult or important something feels like, now no matter how huge your adversary or pain or circumstances look like. We all can dethrone that, no matter how big the problem is. Because you're not alone. Help is available. Just start investing, start taking that help, and move all your problems and pains and manifest things in your life. With that, I have come to the conclusion. The last piece, I think you already know. I just wanted to put that in a sentence, is that consistency and continuity adds amplification to the effort. So if you're consistent and if you continue, you will amplify your actions. Smaller action will cause bigger results. Even a single drop, if you take from ocean, it may take, I don't know, infinite years or whatever to dry out the ocean if there's no water coming to that ocean. But you'll be able to slowly fill a glass to a bucket to a larger tank. But you will be. Just remember that. So with that, that's the end of the presentation. I would say thank you guys for being so patient and listening to me. I know I have taken more than 2.5 hours. I knew it is going to take time. I have rushed through some slides, believe me, because there's so much that we can talk about it. But I hope you guys are able to at least see what I wanted to talk about when it comes to um, being partner of the life.
Thank you. I really appreciate all the passion and love and focus that you put into the topic and the slides and everything. It's just done beautifully.
I loved it too because you know how to express things in layman's terms. Meditation is definitely something that's not to be scary.